guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing this natural look. I had a few requests asking if I can do beginner friendly looks or something for women on the go. So this is what I came up with. If you guys want to learn step by step how I achieve this look, just keep watching. Also, please go like, comment, and subscribe afterwards. I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, so I'm going to begin with priming my face, and this video I'm going to try and use as much drugstore products as I can. I do have just a few things that aren't, but for the most part everything else is. So today we're going to be priming the face with our e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and this primer is like probably one of my favorite primers right now just because it helps a lot with my large pores. And let me tell you, I got some large pores, especially like around my nose area. I'm just gonna put it there and then just pressing that into the skin. This is what's gonna give us a smooth canvas to work with. It smells really good too. Sometimes I'll put it all over the face, but for the most part, I'll just put it like in the areas that I actually need it, which is right here by my nose and on my nose. Now I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal Lumi Shake and Glow Mist. This is just gonna give me just a little bit more hydration because I haven't been drinking a lot of water, so now my skin is a little bit dry. So I need as much as I can to get that extra moisture in. And y'all usually see me use this after, but I use it before and after, especially if my skin is super dry. So okay, so for today I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty foundation, and it's in shade Chai 210B, and I'm just going to be using my Spectrum B01 brush. It's just a flathead brush, and I'm going to spray it directly onto the brush, and I'm just going to be putting that all over. Alright, and just blend that all out. So usually I do full glam makeup, and it usually has way more steps than what I'm gonna do today, but we gonna get it, we gonna get it. This is actually a challenge for me. Just blending it all out, bring it down to the neck. Remember to press it into the skin and don't swipe, or else you'll have those lines. And I like this foundation because it's full coverage. It is very matte, but I like it. And since it is very matte, that's why I was having to hydrate quite a bit because of how matte it is. But I love the coverage and I love the finish that it gives. Just blend it out really good. So currently right now, this one and the Born This Way are my two favorites. My third favorite would be probably the Dior foundation, but I stopped using that one because it got pretty pricey and I didn't want to just stick with that without trying other foundations. Okay, so now we are going to go in with our concealer. I'm going to be using the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer, and this is in shade Medium Sand. This is a full coverage concealer, and since I'm wanting to make this super easy for you guys, I won't do my full concealer steps. I'm just gonna be really simple. So I'm just gonna put like a little dot there and a little dot there. And the reason why I didn't leave this step out is because I have dark under eyes, dark circles, and I really don't like that. So I have to use concealer under there. We're just gonna get our beauty blender and blend that out. So if you didn't get enough sleep the day before, you might want to put some concealer on to give you some life. Cause honey, let me tell you something, it brings you back to life. Now we're gonna get the top of the eye, dot dot, just blend that out. So if you were borracha the night before, like I said, you didn't get no sleep, you want some concealer, sister, and I promise you it'll help you out. It just makes you look a lot more awake, brightened, like you actually tried to do something with yourself, I suppose. Some people even use concealer by itself without any foundation. Now that we are done with the foundation and the concealer, I'm gonna go in and set the face. I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty. This is in shade Pound Cake. I like to pour mine into the lid and just use it that way. And I'm not gonna bake, I am just going to set. Pressing it into the skin. And remember, you want to add the setting powder because if you're oily or your foundation tends to move during the day or come off, the setting powder is going to help it last longer. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with the setting powder and set the rest of my face with my Tati Beauty Powder Puff. And I got some wrinkles up here, so I'm gonna go ahead and set that. That way my makeup doesn't set in there and just crease up. Yeah, I look like a kid with these little ears. But I promise I'm not, I'm old. Fun fact, I turned 30 in a few months. Dirty 30. I'm not ready. She not ready. Oh, dirty 30. And I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. It just all depends what this world will be at that time. And if you guys don't usually set your face and you started setting your face with powder, let me know how you like it, because it was a life changer for me, trust me. I would like not set my face, and then later on, maybe like not even like 2 hours, and my face was like super oily, and I was like, I'd be out and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to go to the restroom and like get toilet paper and like damp my face because it was always so oily so easily. So now that we are done with that, we are gonna go in with our bronzer. This is in shade Saddle. I'm gonna be using my Spectrum A01 brush. I'm going right into it and just going back and forth, giving us some dimension in the face. This is why I like using bronzer, because right now I just have a plain canvas and I want to add some depth, some dimension. So that's why I like doing the contour and the highlight. So I can't really just go without wearing at least bronzer or blush. Like I need some type of depth and contour to my face. So that's why I have to do this. So since this is beginner friendly, I do also want to explain where to place it. I start on the corner top of my ear and connect it to the corner of my mouth, but I don't go all the way like touching the mouth. I stop like maybe mid of my eye, so like right here. And you can use a thinner brush as well. I just barely touch my face when I'm using it. And then just a little bit on the forehead, the perimeter of the forehead. Mira nomás, we're coming to life. Yes. Okay, now we're just gonna go to the bottom jawline and chisel out that jawline a little bit. Now I'm gonna be jumping straight into blush. This is the Milani Baked Blush, and it is in shade 02 Rose d'Oro. This is my favorite blush, drugstore blush. Oh, I can get it open. Just give me a second.
1 hour later.
I don't need no man. I got it. Alright, I'm going to be using my Spectrum C04 brush and get in there. Oh yeah. Smile, smile, smile. That good old fake smile. Sweeping it back and put a little bit on my nose. Alright, and now we're done with blush. I'm going to go ahead and spray my face using the same spray that I used in the beginning. This is going to, that spray is going to help with setting the face, getting all those natural oils to surface. That way your face doesn't look all cakey and powdery. It'll make it look nice and dewy. Set everything together. Hey dolls, I just wanted to stop you real quick to announce the giveaway winner, which is Sarah Fountain. Congratulations, girl. I will be having another giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you're following. Also, thank you for everyone who participated and just to everyone who supports me. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. So now I am going to go in and highlight the face using my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I haven't used this highlighter in like forever, but I'm trying to use all drugstore products, so this is her. Starting at the top and sweeping it down. That is such a pretty highlighter. I don't even know why I stopped using it, to be honest. And I like to put on my highlighter like right after I spray my face because it just sticks to my face from that setting spray. Just a little bit on the forehead. And I'm putting it where, I guess you could say where the end of the bronzer is. So just like right here, a little bit on the top of the lip, and a Cupid's bow. It just enhances it, so that's why I put it right there. And a little bit on the nose. And I used my Spectrum A04 brush to apply the highlighter. Now for eyes, like I said, I wanted to keep it as simple as possible with just a few products. So I'm going to use the bronzer from earlier, the shade Saddle bronzer that I used to bronze my face, and I'm going to use that as eyeshadow. So we're just gonna dip into that with my Spectrum B06 brush. We're just gonna go all over. Well, we're gonna just stay in that crease right now and then enhance it a little bit more on the outside. So crease and the outer corner. Okay, so now when you have it all blended out to your liking, you're gonna go in with that same highlighter that you used on your face. And I'm just gonna get a little flathead brush like this. Look guys, my mom got me these brushes. They're so cute. I don't know where she got them, but my mom's always getting me just cute little things for no reason, but I love them. Now we're just going to pat that on the inner corner of the lid. Just pat that in so that the product will stick onto the lid. She cute or whatever. Does anybody else do their makeup and they realize that their mouth is like wide open and then they look crazy? Because that's me. Whenever I'm either doing something on my eye or mascara, my mouth is like, doing it again. So now that we're done with that, we're gonna move into the bottom of the eyes, dipping into that bronzer using a small brush. This is my Spectrum A12 brush. And starting on the outside of the corner of the eye and dragging that in. Not all the way, just halfway. Pretty much what you do on the top of the lid, you wanna do at the bottom. And y'all, I usually take like, I'd say like an hour to an hour and maybe like 30 or 40 minutes to do my makeup if it's like full glam. So doing it this fast and like taking out most of my steps that I usually do, it's pretty hard. So I just feel like I'm missing stuff, and I actually am, but she's still gonna look cute. She's still gonna look cute. So I'm not gonna do lashes today. I'm just gonna go ahead and do some mascara. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes. And if you guys want to learn how to put on eyelashes, just leave a comment down below and I could do a small tutorial on how to apply lashes. Does anybody else's lashes go down? Like, I have to curl my lashes, and even if I curl my lashes, they're still super straight. Oh, this is another reason why I wear falsies, because my real lashes are so straight. It's so annoying. So I couldn't find a drugstore eyeliner, so I'm just gonna go in with my Huda Beauty eyeliner, and it's just a black eyeliner, and I'm gonna go on the top of my waterline, or on my waterline, but on the top lid, and smudge that out. Sorry guys, I'm in full focus, trying not to poke my eye out. And this is just gonna give us a little oomph. And for mascara, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. Y'all, don't make fun of my nails. I tried to take them off and it's just not working for me. Like, it pretty much pulled off my real nail, and I was like, no, I'm not doing that. So I stopped trying to take them off. So I only got 2 nails off, and the rest are just gonna have to stay until I figure something out. Oh, y'all, I have not worn just lashes without falsies in like forever. But when I used to work at Dior, I used to always have to wear my like real lashes without any falsies because we weren't allowed to. So it's been a long while, to say the least. So this feels kind of weird to put all this mascara on. And I like my lashes to stand out, so I put a lot of mascara. Ooh, and what is y'all's favorite mascara? Like, I wouldn't mind trying new mascaras out. Like, please comment down below and let me know what your favorite mascara is, because if it makes your lashes look longer and fuller, I am all for it. So let me know. Ooh, Girl, never mind. You can see them. Oh. Okay. Okay, so for brows, I'm going to be using this Pure eyebrow pencil. On one side, here, I'll just show you. It has a thicker pencil, and on the other side it has a thinner pencil. So I just like to outline with the smaller side. Outline the bottom, now the top, and now fill her in. And you can fill it in with the thicker side or the thin side. But like I said, this is gonna be something for on the go, super quick. So if you ain't got time to clean them brows up, you just want something a little simple, this is it. And go ahead and brush them out, focusing a little bit more on the front half of the brow because we want to make that look a little bit more ombre. So it's going to be like super light up here in the front and then go darker. I'm just brushing upwards. I hate my brows because they grow down, so I'm always having to cut them and put brow gel on. All right, now I'm going to brush it with my clear brow gel from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And you do not have to do this, but like I said, my brows grow down, so I have to brush mine. Just like a gel that makes them stay in place. Okay, so now moving on to lips, I'm going to be using Candy K Matte by Kylie. And this is like one of the little baby ones that came in like a little kit. I didn't know like if Kylie Jenner's lip products worked good because I've heard like all different kinds of things, like that they worked good and some people said that they were super drying. And so I was like, okay, well, I'm just gonna buy like a little small sample kit so that I can try it out before I like go fully in and investing buying a whole bunch of bigger full-size lip products from her. But I don't know, I like it. Now I'm gonna go over it with this NYX Glam Lip Gloss, and it is in shade Stone Foxy. And this is such a pretty gloss. It's like a nude gloss, but it has like some shimmer to it. Oh my god, this applicator is so soft. Like I could just do this all day. Glosses just make the lips look more plump and voluptuous. So I want my lip gloss to be popping. I want to be like a mile away and someone looks and like, oh my god, who is that with them lips? It's me. See, I told y'all. Popping. Doesn't it look better with the lip gloss versus the matte? I'm trying to tell you. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini tutorial on how to do beginner's makeup. This actually was a really fast video compared to all my other videos, and I actually appreciate that. So, and I'm sure my husband does too. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please go like, make sure you're subscribed, turn on your notifications, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks guys, till next time.